When you pay with cash, a portion of your funds is instantly deducted. And when you buy something and pay in full, the transaction is complete. On the other hand, when using a credit card, you can borrow money. When you make a purchase using your credit card, your lender pays the merchant on your behalf. In general, you can use the card as many times as you like, up to the limit you set. If you're like the majority of Americans, you're probably using your credit card more these days. Card usage is increasing, but ATM cash withdrawals are decreasing according to the Federal Reserve. And if you're trying to figure out how to pay off your credit card debt, you're not alone. The average credit card debt for a household in the United States is approximately $7,000. Paying off credit card debt successfully needs a hands-on approach, starting with selecting your optimal payment method. In this video, I'll show you 5 different strategies to pay off your credit card debt. And if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below for more life hack content. 1. Earn more money. Earning more money is the simplest and most successful approach to paying off credit card debt quickly. Credit cards can help you make purchases or borrow money, but if you don't have enough money in your bank account, it will take you longer and longer to pay off your high-interest credit cards. You will have more money to put toward your debt if you make more money. Take on a second job, do freelance work, sell stuff online, make money from a hobby, do odd jobs, or start a small business to supplement your income. You can come up with a few ways to start making extra money for at least a few months while prioritizing debt repayment. 2. Look at your credit card debt in chunks. When it comes to credit card debt, dividing up your total amount into smaller pieces is one of the quickest strategies to start paying your bills faster. The more manageable your debt gets, the sooner you can begin the process of lowering your obligations. For example, consider $30,000 in debt as 6 separate portions of $5,000 each, instead of one large amount. Follow the same rules regardless of how many cards you have. Paying the bare minimum on each card will help you avoid damaging your credit score by paying too much interest. 3. Apply the debt avalanche approach. The avalanche approach is paying the card with the highest interest first, before the other cards, which tends to be a faster and cheaper method. When you pay off high-interest debt as soon as feasible, you'll save the most money. The longer a balance charges interest, the more you'll pay. Compound interest adds to the difficulty by requiring you to pay interest on top of the interest you've already acquired each month. According to the data from the Federal Reserve, the average credit card annual percentage rate, or APR, was 16.17% in the first quarter of 2022. But your own credit card interest rate is likely to be different. To begin, make a list of all of your debts, including current balances, minimum monthly payments, and the interest rates, and then categorize them by interest rate. Then pay the first card with the highest interest. Prioritizing the debt with the highest interest rate can save you more money and allow you to allocate funds more quickly to other financial goals. Number 4. Borrowing money from friends or relatives. If you're trying to pay off credit cards, borrowing money from others for a short period of time can be really helpful. Consider who you can borrow from first. If family or friends have money available, you can borrow from them at a cheaper interest rate than the credit card company is now charging you. It may be difficult to obtain a loan from your family, but knowing that they will be paid more than the amount they lend, they may be willing to assist you with a short-term loan. When you approach relatives or friends for a loan, it may not appear as difficult as you made it out to be. Because both the young and the old value their time, make sure that all sides agree on the length of the loan. Before borrowing money, make sure you have a repayment plan in place and stick to it so your relationship doesn't suffer. 5. Consolidate your credit card debt. Consolidating your debt allows you to combine many high-interest liabilities into one low-interest balance, allowing you to pay off your debt faster without increasing your payments. Because there's only one monthly payment and due date to worry about, it is easy to keep track of. These consolidation options frequently come with a lower APR, helping you to pay off the loan faster by saving on total interest paid. Credit card consolidation loans are when you take out a new loan to pay off your old bills. Let's imagine you have 3 credit cards with $1,000 amounts on each. A consolidation loan would entail taking out a $3,000 loan, paying off your 3 $1,000 credit card balances, and then having just one $3,000 debt with a lower interest rate. If you decide to consolidate your debt, bear in mind that it's critical to keep your spending under control to avoid adding to your existing debt. Credit card debt can be difficult to manage and seem excessive at times. However, armed with the right information, you may begin to pay off your debt. You can use a variety of techniques and choose the ones that are most effective for your scenario. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video by clicking the like button. If you want to upgrade your life from what you have to what you deserve, click the subscribe button now.